Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Kantari. Today I am going to talk about not technical topic is PV. PV pharmacovigilance is the science and activities related to detecting, assessing, understanding and preventing adverse effect or any other drug related problems. It plays a critical role in ensuring that medicines on the market are safe and effective. Here's detailed overview of PV. Then first is definition and scope. Pharmacovigilance involves the ongoing monitoring of medicines once they have been released into the market. Its primary focus is identify potential side effects that were not detected during the clinical trial, hedges and take action to minimize harm to patient. Then second one is purpose, ensuring patient safety. PV help to ensure that the benefits of the drug outweigh the risk. Then regulatory compliance regulatory authority requires pharmaceutical companies to have strong pharmacovigilance systems in place to report any adverse effect. Then improving public health. Improving public health by identifying harmful reaction and communicating finding. PV promotes the safe use of medicine. Then key process in pharmacovigilance, adverse drug reaction ADR reporting. Any harmful or united reaction to a drug should be reported by healthcare professionals, patient or manufacturers. Then signal detection. This involves identifying new safety information from various sources such as clinical study, spontaneous ADR report or scientific literature. Then risk management. Risk management after detecting potential risk, strategies are developed to minimize harm. These could include changing dosage recommendation, adding warning or event withdrawing with the from to market. Benefit risk evaluation. Continuously assessing where the benefits or drug outweigh its reaction based on real world data. Both one is adverse drug reaction. Then spontaneous reporting. This is the most common method where healthcare professional or patient voluntarily report ADRs. Cohort event monitoring, a more structure from the monitoring that follow patient over time to see if they experience adverse reaction. Then case control studies. These study compare patients who have experienced an adverse event with those who have, helping to identifying potential causes. Then each one is role and responsibility. Then regulatory authority. Agency like the FDA, USA, EMA, Europe and CDSCO India oversee pharmacovigilance activities. Then pharmaceutical companies must monitor their product post-market and report ADR to regulatory authority. Then healthcare professional. Healthcare professional, doctor, nurses and pharmacists are responsible for recognize and reporting ADR. Then patient to play an active role by reporting any side effect they experience. Then six pharmacovigilance in drug. Then development. PV is essential throughout the entire life cycle of drug, not just after reaches the market. Thank you.